Alright, so let's be real. Most of us feel we don't have enough time. Whether it's replying to emails, writing reports, or just staying on top of daily tasks, our to-do list never seems to end. But what if I told you that AI can help you reclaim 10 hours every single week? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to work smarter, not harder. Let's dive in. The first big time saver is automating those mind-numbing repetitive tasks. You know, emails, meeting notes, summarizing articles. And for this, AI tools are absolute lifesavers. For example, instead of spending 30 minutes crafting the perfect email, you can use ChatGPT or GrammarlyGO to generate a well-structured response in seconds. Just tweak it and hit send. And then there's meeting notes. Instead of manually typing everything out, Otter.ai or Notion AI can transcribe the entire conversation and even summarize key action points for you. Oh, and if you read a lot of work, whether it's articles, reports, or research papers, AI tools like Claude AI or Perplexity AI can take a long document and break it down into key takeaways in just a few seconds. That alone can save you hours. But AI isn't just about automation. It's also a game changer for writing and content creation. If you ever struggle with writing reports, blog posts, or even social media captions, AI can make most of the heavy lifting for you. Need to draft an article? Instead of starting at a blank page for hours, you can use Jasper AI or Copy.ai to generate a full outline and then just edit from there. Even for something as simple as social media posts, AI can generate 10 different caption ideas in seconds. No more overthinking it, just pick the best one and post. Now, beyond automation and content creation, AI is also insanely useful for smarter decision making. If you work with a lot of data, instead of manually analyzing spreadsheets, AI tools like ChatGPT Code Interpreter, Tableau AI, or Excel Copilot can do the heavy lifting for you. And if you are doing research, reading through 10 different sources, just ask Elicit or Perplexity AI to summarize the best insights for you. It's like having a personal research assistant available 24/7. So let's do some quick math. 2 to 3 hours saved from automation, 3 to 4 hours from AI powered writing, and another 3 plus hours from smarter decision making. That's 8 to 10 extra hours every single week. Imagine what you could do with that time, whether it's learning a new skill, working on a side hustle, or just relaxing. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius to use these tools. So, if you haven't started using AI to streamline your workflow, you are literally leaving time on the table.